Not every Jeep earned love through raw power alone. Some earned it simply because soldiers trusted them completely, even decades after they first rolled off the assembly line. Number 5. The M606. Adapted specifically for Israeli forces starting in the 1950s, the M606 was a modified Willis CJ-5 that quickly became a beloved workhorse across the harsh desert terrain of the Middle East. Soldiers appreciated its stripped-down simplicity, since almost any unit could keep it running using scavenged parts even during the chaos of sudden conflict. Its lightweight let crews physically push it out of soft desert sand when stuck, something heavier vehicles simply couldn't manage without outside help. Veterans of multiple desert campaigns described a genuine affection for its stubborn reliability under brutal heat that broke down far more sophisticated machines. Could raw simplicity really explain why soldiers trusted it more than newer, fancier alternatives? Number 4. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Though never officially designed as a military vehicle, the FJ40 earned fierce loyalty from soldiers across dozens of countries who converted it for combat use, praising its almost mythical reliability across deserts, mountains, and jungles alike. Crews trusted it so completely that some units reported driving examples with well over 200,000 miles, still running strong through terrain that destroyed newer competitors. Its simple mechanical layout meant soldiers with minimal training could keep it alive using little more than patience and basic tools. Multiple accounts describe it surviving direct combat damage that would have stopped almost any other vehicle outright. Could an ordinary civilian truck really earn more soldier loyalty than vehicles purpose-built for war? Number 3. The Pinzgauer. Developed in Austria and adopted by elite special forces units worldwide starting in the 1970s, the Pinzgauer earned deep respect for its unusual portal axles that let it climb terrain regular Jeeps couldn't even approach safely. Special Forces soldiers trusted it completely during covert mountain operations, where a single mechanical failure could strand an entire team far behind enemy lines. Its unique swing axle suspension gave it remarkable stability on slopes that would have tipped conventional vehicles instantly. Veterans of alpine and desert operations alike praised how rarely it ever failed them when isolation meant genuine danger. Could a vehicle this specialized really earn universal trust across such completely different terrains? Number 2. The Mercedes-Benz G-Wagen. Introduced to German forces in 1979 and nicknamed the Wolf in military service, the G-Wagen combined genuine luxury car engineering with battlefield toughness that soldiers rarely expected from something so refined. Crews trusted its permanent four-wheel drive system completely, crossing terrain that intimidated less sophisticated vehicles without hesitation. Its solid axles and robust frame meant soldiers could push it far harder than manufacturers ever officially recommended, and it simply kept going. Multiple NATO forces eventually adopted it, with veterans praising both its comfort and its almost stubborn refusal to break down under pressure. Could a vehicle built with luxury car roots really earn genuine battlefield trust from soldiers who depended on it daily? Number 1. The M998 Humvee. Introduced in 1985, the Humvee became genuinely beloved among American soldiers during the Gulf War, its armored protection and raw power giving crews confidence crossing open desert that older, thinner-skinned Jeeps never could have survived. Soldiers trusted its reinforced frame completely, crediting it directly with protecting them from explosions and small arms fire that would have proven fatal in earlier vehicles. Its air conditioning system, a genuine luxury in desert deployments, earned quiet gratitude from crews suffering through temperatures that regularly exceeded 120 degrees. Veterans consistently named it their favorite vehicle of the entire conflict, not for speed or agility, but for the simple fact that it brought them home safely again and again. Could raw protection alone really explain why an entire generation of soldiers loved one vehicle above all others? 5 Jeeps, 5 different eras, yet all sharing that same rare quality soldiers valued above everything else, a machine that simply never let them down. Tell us honestly, which of these surprised you the most? If you enjoyed this one, hit like and subscribe to Jeep Chronicles for more hidden stories like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.